goat cheese, quattro formaggi, little sauce. We're going to use cauliflower pizza crusts and a little pepperoni and the sliced up tomato. All right, let's try this out. First time trying to make a pizza like this, so I don't know how it's going to turn out. I think we'll heat it up a little bit first. We'll take a bit of spray oil on there. Heat one side up, I'll flip it over. Put the sauce on there. Cheese. Get a little bit of everything on there, and then I'll cover it up with this pan and let it kind of roast or bake. Hopefully it doesn't fall apart on me. I think I need to turn this down some. Get some cheese on there. Good little bit of cheese. Oh yeah. The cheese, maybe get the bag of cheese out of the way so you can actually see what I'm doing. Gourmet cooking in the woods. Little goat cheese. Not a whole lot, just a little bit. Go. Tomatoes. Little pepperoni. I was going to put prosciutto on here, but I don't think I really need it on here.
Keep it simple, Dan.
Yeah, that's getting pretty loaded up already. Pretty loaded up. A little more cheese on the top of everything.
I matched the spoon to my 2 soups.
A little more cheese.
You see it?
Take this. Put it right over the top. Let it start cooking. See what happens. All right, it's been cooking for a few minutes. I'm going to add a little bit of water to it. Get that steam going. All right, let's see how we did. That looks pretty good. I do say so myself. Maybe. There we go. Cauliflower crust pizza. Out camping. Cut it up.
1 out of 6 ain't bad. Terrible.
Oh yeah, this looks good. That goat cheese. Needs some seasoning on there. Red garlic. If you haven't had it, it's good.
You got it. Yeah. Oh yeah?
All right, let's eat our pizza. Oh yeah. Pretty good. So I must say this is really good. Keto friendly pizza.